not horrible. Sorry, I'm feeling a little sick, guys. Oh yeah, we have gutted cats now. They were clogged, so we just ended up gutting them out. More flow. It's a bit louder now. I do have an exhaust leak from it though, so I'm gonna need to check it out, make sure everything's all the gaskets are still good and all that. But it is a little bit louder. No performance gains or anything like that though, that I could tell. So just an update on the G35. This is a new motor that I got. Shout out to Bryce. Bryce hooked me up with it for, I paid like $245. And he also gave me a spare tire to put it in the back of my truck, which is crazy. I bought it with the blown head gasket, but luckily I had a warranty on my head gasket that I bought from O'Reilly, so I was able to get one for it. And that was really all I needed. He needed a rear main seal, but it was actually, it was fine. So yeah, I got this motor for $245. So far, no problems with it yet. So far so good, you know. It runs smooth. I'm checking the oil, it doesn't seem to burn oil. But yeah, it's been nothing but good to me so far. I've been driving it to work every day. It's like 120 miles. This is gonna be basically like my daily. And I'm trying to save the miles on my truck. But yeah, it's got a K&N filter, Ztube. And like I said, we just recently gutted the cats. And my homie John actually hooked me up with the Weapon R reservoir to replace this water cap one. So shout out John, man. I appreciate it. He stays helping me out with the car and all that. We actually have another video installing these BC Racing coilovers that he helped me put on too. Yeah, he's a real one. So shout out John, shout out Bryce. You know, none of this would be possible without you guys. So yeah, so far everything's running good. You know, we'll probably have an install video on that Weapon R coolant reservoir pretty soon. But yeah, this is how she's sitting. She sounds a little different now with the gutted cats. It's very low. But yeah, she's up and running. Couldn't be happier. Got the baby seat, you know, barely fits. But it works.